Appreciation is golden and definitely a fuel for the next. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. I'm standing at Sandal Suits, Noida, Lemon Tree Hotel, and today we are witnessing a wonderful event, Appreciation to the Creation Awards. So let's visit this amazing event and see what's happening around.
अंतर में विश्वास जगाओ, चलो न मिटते पथ चिन्हों पर, अपने रास्ते आप बनाओ, अपनी आत्म ज्योति पर निर्भर अपने सूर्य स्वयं बन जाओ। हकीकत तो ये है कि परमपिता परमेश्वर ने हमें वो सब ताकत दी है जो परमात्मा के बाद खुद मौजूद हैं। आइए इन सभी ताकतों का अच्छा इस्तेमाल करें ताकि हमारा देश और हमारी दुनिया जो है वो स्वर्ग का रूप ले सके। Thank you very much.
Let's get inspired from Mr. K.L. Ganju, who is the Consul General of Commerce Islands. Hello sir, welcome to this amazing event today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So I would like to know from your side first of all that how important such appreciation and such events are according to you.
You see, appreciation is one word which is very, very dear to any performing artist, whether it is in the fashion industry or a film industry or anywhere, whether it is stage or whatever. So unless there is an audience and unless there is appreciation, the artist will be very depressed. Once the audience is there, once the appreciation is there, once the claps are there, so that the artist gets encouragement and he can perform better next time.
Exactly, appreciation is the fuel for the next. We feel like working more and more. अब बातचीत करते हैं सतपाल महाराज जी से जो उत्तराखंड के कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर हैं. Hello sir, welcome to the event today.
नमस्कार।
हम आपसे यही जानना चाहेंगे कि आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एप्रिसिएशन कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है, ऐसे इवेंट्स कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए?
ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि इससे प्रोत्साहन मिलता है और लोगों के अंदर उत्साह जागृत होता है और हम लोगों को काफ़ी अपने कल्चर को, अपने टैलेंट को देखने का मौका मिलता है। तो लोगों को मौका मिलना चाहिए, लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए। और ये दादा साहब फाल्के जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उत्सव हो रहा है, ये हमारे देश के अंदर उन्होंने एक फिल्म लाइन की शुरुआत की और बड़े कठिन संघर्ष से, क्योंकि ऐसा भी जानकारी में आया है कि उनकी पत्नी के गहने बेच करके उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई, तो बड़े संघर्ष के साथ उन्होंने इस काम को किया और इसको हमें सम्मान उनको देते हुए ये उत्सव मनाना चाहिए और इससे मैं समझता हूँ कि भारत के अंदर टैलेंट को प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा।
एग्जैक्टली एक आर्टिस्ट जो होता है वो अपना आर्ट दिखाने के लिए अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी लगा देता है, जो हम 2 मिनट या 2 घंटे में एंजॉय करते हैं। सर आज के इवेंट से आपकी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं?
मैं समझता हूँ कि हमें टैलेंट नज़र आएगा और लोगों को अपना मंचन करने का भी मौका मिलेगा, तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। और मैं उत्तराखंड से आता हूँ, उत्तराखंड में बहुत टैलेंट है, लोग बहुत अच्छे पहाड़ी गीत गाते हैं। आपने वो गाना सुना होगा डेढ़ पाको 12 मासा, तो ये बहुत अच्छे पहाड़ी गीत हैं, बड़े पॉपुलर हुए, लोग उनको गुनगुनाते हैं। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि लोगों को मौका मिलना चाहिए।
Thank you. Thanks for sharing your expression with us and talking to us. Hello sir, first of all congratulations for getting this amazing award, Dada Saheb Phalke Award.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
So I would like to know from your side first of all that what do you feel, how important is appreciation for an artist in such kind of events?
See, the best part is that every appreciation, every award, it gets you new energy, new enthusiasm, new zest, and along with it, it gets you a lot of responsibility. the fact is this, that if you are one of those 25 awardees today, that means a board, a setup, or an organization has put in so much efforts in selecting your name, probably out of thousands. That means the responsibility towards your work has gone much higher today.
Yes, with great rights come greater responsibilities. Okay, sir, now we would like to know from your side that how important, basically the significance of this award, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, what do you believe, how significant it is?
I was amazed when the whole this organization came to me and they said that we want to honor you with the Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival Award. I think it was quite interesting to know that, because I was lucky enough to get my Dada Saheb Phalke Film Foundation Award, which is the second biggest award in the country for people who are in film, television and media business. And this time when this award was announced for me, rather I was very happy, but the whole criteria is different. This Dada Saheb Phalke Award is meant for people who have done extraordinarily well in their own field. And I'm sure you must have seen that today they have not only honored people who are part and parcel of media or entertainment industry, but people who have done extraordinarily well in many other industries. So I think this is that means Dada Saheb Phalke word, the word and the name has grown from film business to many social activities, which it sounds quite interesting, I think.
Exactly, the scope has widened and every artist needs appreciation, whether it's any field, because it's fuel to work more. Thank you, thanks for inspiring us, and keep on doing your great work, keep on walking in the corridors of eternity.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
I'm in conversation with Lieutenant Rita Gangwani. Let's hear from her. Hello ma'am, welcome to Appreciation to the Creation Awards today.
Thank you very much.
So we would like to know that what is your agenda of the day, what you are portraying over here?
Okay, along with the Appreciation of Creation Awards, we are also going to have the announcement of North India Fashion Week, which we are doing for the awareness of breast cancer. So many of my winners or my students who have achieved something in life, they are going to walk the ramp to support the breast cancer awareness and the announcement of the Fashion Week with the designer Sanjana John.
That's beautiful. So if I ask you that appreciation to the creation, how important is it in today's scenario for an artist?
I think for an artist it's very important to understand that creativity is something which is God-given, something which is a gift which has been given to them by God. And many a times we try to cut, copy, paste, thinking that the other person is more successful than me. But the purpose of these appreciation award is that you have recognized your own creation. You are the original person and you are giving your best in a very creative way. So appreciation of creation to me is accepting yourself as you are.
That's a beautiful thought indeed. An artist cannot copy himself for the second time, so copying others is impossible. Celebrate your creativity. Let's talk to the very beautiful Dr. Neha Tyagi. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
So today what you are showing us, I suppose you are walking the ramp today?
Yeah. We have come here with Rita Gangwani ma'am, who's our mentor, our coach. Whatever we are today is because of her, so we are accompanying her. It's because of her that we've got an opportunity to walk for such a noble cause. So,
how has been your journey? Like, how do you feel portraying such walks, and showing such causes? Like, what do you feel about it?
I feel these causes should be done more often, especially in a busy place like Delhi, where people are busy in their lives. So, we need to do it more often, because everything which is done for a cause has good results, and if people come together and they do it for a cause, it has a great impact.
So what's the cause for today?
Actually, we are walking for Sanjana John ma'am, who is the theme is for breast awareness. So I being a doctor, so I think breast cancer is one of the most common cancer amongst females, and it is one of the major cause for the deaths of the female. So we need to screen, and we need to tell women more that the screening test can be done in a very initial stage. So this is what we are walking for today. So as you can see, everybody is in hot pink. So pink is the color for breast awareness.
Let's have some beautiful words from Mrs. Vandana, who is the first runner-up for Mrs. India Earth. Hello ma'am, welcome to today's beautiful event, and I must say that you are looking gorgeous. So, what's the cause for today and what you are going to show us today?
Okay. It's like a great effort from ma'am to have organized the North India Fashion Week, and it's very good that they're bringing people from the back to the forefront. So this is what we're focusing on today.
What's the theme for your walk today?
Okay, we're supporting cancer patients here and we'll be working for that.
That's beautiful. And if I ask you that appreciation, how impactful it is for an artist and how important it is, what is your point of view?
Okay, I think appreciation is very important because if you get a bit of appreciation, you try to put in more efforts. And if you get a little bit more, you always put in more and give more and deliver more to the society. So this is what you're working for, all of us.
I would like to know from your side, what were the highlights of today's program and did you enjoy it?
Yes, of course, the program was very good. I enjoyed it. The fashion show was very nice.
I think the name Dada Saab Phalke is such magical that whichever event, whatever award it gets affiliated to, I think there is the Midas touch. So we saw that touch here as well, very magical. Rita Gangwani, an icon in herself in fashion and creating beauty queens. In fact, I am a director of a magazine where I took her on the cover and I gave her the title of the Queen Maker. So we saw some of our products out there, prodigies or products, whatever you call them. It was wonderful, very glamorous. So there was a touch of glamour, there was a touch of honor, honoring the various people who've made a mark for themselves, who've created something for themselves. It was wonderful to see them being honored. Mr. Satpal Maharaj, Sandeep himself was there, and I think it was absolutely, and a big compliment to AAFT and Marva Studios. I can see those, I could see that touch of Marva Studios in the whole event, which was absolutely magical. My congratulations to Marva Studios, to Sanjana John, to Rita Gangwani, to Mr. Marva, and of course to Shreya for organizing it so well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. One question I have for you. What do you believe how important appreciation is? Like as an artist, we all are artists, right? So how do you feel when you get appreciated and such kind of events? What is the significance of them?
Yeah, appreciation means a motivation to an artist. Yeah, so I believe कि बड़ा ही अच्छा है, मतलब अच्छी कमेंट्स तो हर किसी को अच्छे लगते हैं, मोटिवेशन के लिए ज़रूरी भी है, तो it's good to be
Amazing. मन करता है कि और काम करें.
I think without motivation, no artist can climb. Jungle में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? So unless people see you, people appreciate you, then only you get motivated. I think you climb the ladder of success through inspiration, through appreciation, through motivation.
So the flow of good energy should always be there. क्योंकि मैंने तो ऐसा कोई आर्टिस्ट नहीं देखा, कोई सिंगर नहीं देखा जो खुद के लिए गाना गा रहा हो रूम में अकेले. तालियां जब बजती हैं,
खुद के लिए गाना पड़े तो उसका क्या हालत हो. और तालियां बजने से मुझे लगता है उसके जो सुर होते हैं ना, वो एकदम ठीक लगने लगते हैं जैसे ही तालियां सुनाई देती हैं. This goes for all artists.
Exactly. और तालियां काउंट भी तो होता है. जितना बजाओगे तालियां दूसरों के लिए, उतनी आपके लिए भी किसी दिन बजेंगी.
I'm an artist too, so motivation is very important for me. I'm a painter.
Beautiful.
So motivation is you can say a food.
It's a fuel.
It's a fuel.
True. So keep motivating and keep getting inspired because when you inspire, you evolve. Thanks for talking to us and inspiring us today. Thank you. I'm sure you have enjoyed the enthusiasm, the energies, the spark and realized that the value of appreciation cannot be denied. It's indispensable. So keep on doing the great work because the world needs good work and great artists. That's all for today in today's talk. I, Shreya Katyal, sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another amazing event for you. Till then, you keep watching MS TV, Har Pal Aapke Saath, and don't forget to stay connected.